Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Prabin Hirachan and today I'm going to upgrade my MacBook Pro late 2011 model that had originally 4GB of RAM and 500GB of hard drive. And since I do lots of stuff on my MacBook Pro like video editing, making 2D games and 2D modeling in Spine, and it's just not enough. The memory is not just enough, so what do? Either buy a new MacBook Pro or upgrade it. So I'm gonna go with the second option, that I'm going to upgrade my MacBook Pro late 2011 model. And the fun thing is that it costs around only less than $300. You don't have to buy the same exact Samsung SSD model, but it have to be same exact size, and it have to be the same exact 16GB of memory, RAM, and the drive caddy. Before you change the hard drive on your MacBook Pro to the SSD, Samsung SSD, you need to back up your file from your computer. So first you have to backflip your computer. There's 10 screws on total, 4 on the 2 long side and 2 on short side. Make sure you know on which side to put back the screw while closing the cover. First thing you need to do is to disconnect the battery before doing anything else. Second, we will take out the RAM, and then we will take out the hard drive, and we will take out the optical drive. There's 2 clips on the side, just open them left and right. So this is the old RAM and we're gonna take it out. And we're gonna replace it with the 2 8GB RAM. So as you can see that there's a small and long side on the RAM. Make sure you put it back exactly on the same side. You keep the battery shut off until you finish all the things. So there's 3 connectors over the optical drives. You're gonna disconnect those first. One is for the hard drive and the other one is for the optical drive, and the other one is for speaker. And you're gonna unscrew this little mount between the optical drive and the hard drive. Once you take off, you will be able to take out the hard drive off. So don't pull it off because it's still attached. You're gonna carefully take off that little connector from that hard drive. Make sure you don't pull it off from the wire. Once you remove the hard drive, there's a small screw on that side, and just remove that and take off the optical drive out. If you want to take off your optical drive, you need to buy one of these drive caddy. I bought this one from Amazon for $8. That little connector on the drive, you have to take it off carefully. In this case, I'll be using 1TB hard drive. Put the screw on the place. So we have done putting hard drive on the optical drive. At this point, we're gonna do everything we have done before on reverse. The optical drive goes in with 1TB in it. Before in this computer we had 500GB hard drive. Now we have 1TB in optical drive and 1TB Samsung SSD. This should improve the performance of the computer immensely. So you put those 4 screws that you took off the previous hard drive and put it on new SSD. Once you're done, reconnect all the ribbon. 1, 2, 3 are ready to go. Let's connect the battery. Put the cover back. Just open your computer and make sure everything is running. So finally I've finished upgrading my MacBook Pro late 2011 model, and it's immensely faster than ever before. So it cost me around less than $300, and I guess it's the video was very helpful to you guys. So till then, I'll see you in next video. See you. Bye bye. Sayonara.